Beautiful rainbow. All the selfies.
Stomach and chest out. Like one stomach.
Here comes Roz. Usually she's the one videotaping. Stuff like that. That makes like my heart's like racing just looking at Sergio. Should we let them get down first before we go up? My cardio sucked today. Alright. My cardio suck. It's very muddy, guys. Don't come today. Do not come today. It's very muddy. I'm so excited. This is not a good day. So if you guys want to make this your 4th of July hike, guys, this is what it's going to look like this weekend. It's going to rain. It's going to be pretty muddy. So I suggest you have the right shoes, bags, food. This is like... I'm gonna have to go real slow. No, take your time. Slip and slide. And then look at them. Okay, I'm gonna try to use these things. And then this is where we have to go down. Okay. It's a bit crazy. Okay. Look at that craziness.
Every muscle.
Want to see my ass? You want to smell beautiful?
Oh my God. I'm taking pictures since we're just here, but I'm still muddy. Oh, it's pretty. It is. Oh my gosh. What are the actually, I'm gonna take off my gloves and take pictures. I think Roz there just rolled down on her. What's going on? Huh? Roz, it cracks me up. You done with this already? She's dying over there. Oh my God. She's like rolling crazy. I don't know what the hell she's doing. That's how crazy it is.
Beautiful, even after the hike and all that mud. It feels so good to step on grass. Doesn't it feel good to step on grass? Grass! Iris, grass! It feels so good. The grass feels good. We did it! We did it! So I'm like not even sore. You know, it's more like I'm sleepy. I'm like so sleepy. I'm like, I just want to go home and sleep. I just want to go home and sleep. I just want to go home and sleep, guys.